Well, hello, and welcome back to another day in my regular life. How are y'all doing? How have y'all been? I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I did. I cooked way too much food, but other than that, we had fun. But anyway, let me stop being silly. But anyway, so yeah, how y'all doing? I know it's been a long time, but it is December 1st. Well, happy December 1st. My birthday is in 13 days. Hey. But no, I really have been wanting to like put more videos out, but I don't know what happened. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna make up no excuse. I just didn't. Shit. I just didn't. Life is life in and things is thinking, and I just didn't have the energy. And I know, and sometimes for me it's hard because I really don't have like a setup for like me to just sit down and just edit my videos and not have to move my laptop to do something else, you know what I mean? So I am thinking about turning the vanity that's in my closet into like my editing workstation, so I don't ever have to really like move my computer or anything. It's just there, so when I come in it's just there. So yeah, so what I got coming up this weekend and next weekend, it's a lot going on this month, a birthday month for not just me but also my stepdaughter. So what we got going on first is on the same day we have my vendor event for my baking business. I'm going to be a vendor at an event, and then the same day, later on that day, could be happening during the day. I don't know. I don't really know all of the logistics yet, but my stepdaughter, for her birthday, she wanted a sleepover, so we're hosting the sleepover also that day. Her birthday is December 5th, but she, of course we're going to have the party the weekend after. So I'm also preparing for that. We're trying to get her room decorated. Told her, redecorate her room for her. Well, all about the stuff, she put it up. Only thing I need to get now is a comforter, new sheets. She wanted like a cork board thing so she can pin her pictures up that she wants to get printed off. And I want to just get her a pink shower curtain and maybe a rug or two in the bathroom that match the shower curtain. But like I said, I also have my vendor event. So the vendor event is Saturday from 10 to 4. Like I said, with the logistics of her party, I don't know because her daddy hasn't said it yet. I don't know what's going on. So I don't know if they're coming over here on Friday. I don't know. I know she's coming over here on Friday for sure, but I don't know if her. No, that's gonna be 2 nights. No. So they're gonna come over here on Saturday. She'll probably be here on Friday, so I'm gonna try to have everything decorated in her room by Thursday. And then Friday, I think I'm going to go ahead and take off work so that I can bake all day. Like all day I'm gonna bake Friday. Go to my vendor event on Saturday, and then when I come home I can, I told my husband to ask her what she wanted to eat, like, I'm saying, for her party and everything. I was thinking about doing homemade hot wings and fries and stuff like that, making some cookies, and of course I'm gonna have to make her birthday cake, which I'm like, I'm already baking, but it is what it is. So I'll probably just make her a birthday cake with a picture of herself on there. Quick and to the point, simple. Probably just a sheet cake type of birthday cake with her picture on there. And I also want to make them some shirts because I know that they'll probably want to go skating. Because she said she wants to do something like before the sleepover part started. So I was like, well, just take them skating because she loves going skating. Like, every time we ask her and her friend, like when she come over here, like, where do y'all want to go? They're like, skating. Can you take us skating? So I told them just take them skating, and then they can wear the shirts skating, or they can just wear them in the house. I don't know, but I kind of wanted to say like her to say like birthday girl, happy birthday to me, or something like that. something about Sagittarius. Sagittarius. I don't know. And then her friends will say like birthday crew or we with the birthday girl or something, you know, something cute like that. But I need to know who coming, and right now I don't even think they have all that together. So I can only do what I can do, which is do her room for her. I want to put up a few birthday gifts and stuff like that. So hopefully by tomorrow we can have everything ordered that we need to have ordered. And then what? We can have everything ordered that we need to have ordered and put up by Thursday. Friday is a baking day. And, you know, I have to get up really early on Saturday because I live nowhere near the vendor event place. Where the vendor event is being held at, I live nowhere close. So I know for sure I'm going to have to get up hours early to get everything put in the car. Yeah, so that's basically what we got going on. We are trying to do research on some new items that I can sell at the vendor event this time that I didn't sell last time. I'm still going to do my main stuff like chocolate chip cookies, snickerdoodle cookies, tea cakes. Plus I already have like 3 different pre-orders that people already like pre-ordered to pick up there. I got like, all together without the stuff that I'm going to be selling at the vendor event, I got 9 dozen cookies to bake for people just pre-ordering without, you know, having to come up to the vendor event and buy individual. So Friday we're going to be baking. So right now I am just making notes of vendor event stuff, what items I'm going to sell, the pricing for those items, what I need to buy to package those items, all the stuff I need to order. I already ordered like my cash box. I wasn't going to do the cash box at first because I was just like, most people pay by card, but I was like, hey, it's better to have it there and not use it than to need it, you know what I'm saying, and not have it. So I already ordered my cash box. It's supposed to be here Thursday, I think, Wednesday or Thursday. I already ordered like cookie bags, and I'm not going to do traditional cupcakes. I'm going to do like little square cakes that are a little bit bigger than cupcakes. And I'm also going to do like mini cakes that are like, you know, bigger than a cupcake, smaller than a cake. So, I already ordered the stuff for that. I just wrote stuff down like battery pack. I need to get I have a banner that I made a couple of vendor events ago that goes in front of your table that I need to make sure I have, you know, stuff like, it's just a little stuff. It's a little stuff that you have to remember, because you're going to remember to bake the cookies and the cakes and everything, or you're going to remember that you need to take payment. So I just keep my square reader in this box, and it's just a square chip reader. They can also put their card in there. And then I also have this for if this starts messing up, which is the chip reader. If this starts messing up, I could just put this in my phone. And if all else fails, I have it set up with Square to where I can just use my phone for them to tap, you know, on the phone also. So we're going to make sure we get our payment, okay? Plus, yeah, we're going to make sure we get our payment. So usually when I'm at a vendor event, I use my iPad because it's bigger, because I can pull up like Square. I pull up my Square app or whatever, and I actually program my items in there, so I can just hit, okay, they want this, and I don't have to worry about trying to be like, okay, what's this, how much is this? No. And I'm able to keep track of what I sold. So that's like the biggest thing. So my next vendor event, I can say, okay, this was sold, you know, I mean, yeah, I can write down I made 20 cakes and 15, you know what I'm saying? But it's just, it's nice to see it on, you know, on the Square thing. So I can put, you know, that they bought, you know, 10 chocolate chip cookies, they bought 2 cake, you know, and it just kind of does it for me. And then it goes to the Square Reader for me. They just tap their card. Like, it's just so much easier to do it like that and actually do it like you're ringing somebody up at a, you know, at a restaurant or a shop or anything like that. So it's just a lot easier to do it like that. So I'm really just trying to make sure that I understand like what I want to sell, how much of each I want to make. I've been doing some research for like other people who do vendor events all the time, what they, you know, usually make and sell and all that kind of stuff. But I'm still going to do what I know people know me for, which is chocolate chip and tea cake. And I always do snickerdoodle because snickerdoodles, tea cakes, and chocolate chips are big sellers. Tea cakes are big sellers because a lot of people don't expect to see a tea cake at a vendor event. They're just like, tea cakes? Like, tea cake? You know what I'm saying? Because it's an older cookie. Most people don't. But it's funny, I have 9 dozen to do pre-order. Out of those 9 dozen, 8 of them are tea cakes. I have 8 dozen tea cakes and 1 dozen chocolate chip cookies to do for the pre-order. Everything, yeah, most of them are tea cakes. So I'm actually going to make sure that I do a lot of tea cakes, chocolate chip cookies, snickerdoodle, because it's from 10 to 4. That's a long time. You know what I mean? So yeah, I am going to just try to make it, my table, look as festive as possible. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree. Sorry. Girl, I thought someone was crawling on me. Y'all remember that cricket video? But I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and just get a whole bunch of different ways to display the cookies and stuff and cakes. By tomorrow night, no later than Tuesday night, we need to have everything written down in stone of what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, how we're going to decorate the cakes and cookies. I'm introducing 2 new things that I haven't sold before. I'm introducing cookie butter cake and lemon cookies and lemon bars. I haven't sold those at a vendor event before, so I'm going to do those. And if I have enough time, I really want to do cocoa bombs. You know, cocoa bombs is a big thing. They were a big thing, so I kind of want to do some cocoa bombs. The cocoa bombs, the decorated sugar cookies, and the lemon bars I can do, you know, like Thursday, and then everything else I'm gonna do Friday, because those are not necessarily like baked items that need to be freshly baked, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm going to get those taken care of, and then I'll start, you know, doing everything else. So it's gonna be a oh wow, because this year I'm making a lot more stuff than I did in my last vendor events. But I'm also excited, very excited about this vendor event, because hopefully it'll get my name out in Dallas. I actually had a couple of repeat customers in Houston, but now I'm in Dallas, you know. It's almost like starting all the way over, to be honest. But it's okay. We're going to get there. We're going to get our name out there. Hell, I'll be okay with just being a tea cake lady, because I was that for a while. After every vendor event, people always ordering either chocolate chip cookies or tea cakes from me. And I do birthday cakes and all that kind of stuff still, but like I said, it's just hard when, you know, you got to rebuild your clientele in Dallas, so yeah. So yeah, and I also need to figure out what to do with my hair, because right now I just took a wig off. I still got glue and shit on the side of my head. I can see that. So I still got glue on the side of my head. But yeah, so that's basically what y'all are gonna see from me in the next week. This week is preparing for these two things. So tonight, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an Amazon cart ready. I only need, for my vendor event, the only thing I really need is clear sticker paper, because I'm gonna make my own labels. That's another thing. I make my own labels. I label everything with my name and number. If you would like to order more, if you like these, if you love these and you like to order more, you know, I have my logo, I have my number, and I let them know what they had, you know, on the label. But I don't want it to be, I need it to be a clear backing so they can see through it, see the product through the label. I'm not gonna have the label all the way across, you know, but just big enough to fit my name and my phone number on there. I need the cake, there's the mini cake pans, I need the clear labels, and I think that's it. That's all I need for my thing that I haven't already ordered or got. I need the cocoa bomb. I'm glad I was talking to y'all. I need cocoa bomb molds. I have some, but they're not the big ones. I want the big ones to make it more like, you know, pop out with the vendor stuff. You know, you gotta make everything bigger, smaller, whatever. You know, you gotta make it pop at the vendor event. So I want to get cocoa bombs, bomb molds. I might have to get the packaging for that. And then for her, I need to get her a comforter, a new comforter, pink sheets, a shower curtain, and some pink rugs for her bathroom. I think what I'm going to do is go to Walmart, Ross, Marshalls, and if I can't find what I need, then I will just go to Amazon. But I feel like they'll have cute stuff too. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And yeah, it's just going to be me trying to get everything together. Tonight I should have everything in my Amazon cart that I need to buy for her. I'm going to go ahead and purchase my stuff I need, because I need to be here before I need to be here before Thursday, because the way Amazon play around, no sir, no sir. And like I said, if I can't find what I need for her tomorrow night, then I'll go ahead and come home and purchase her stuff to be here. I just feel like I can find what I need probably at one of those stores. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I would just try to keep y'all like updated on stuff, and as I'm getting stuff ready, and I'll once I get all of my stuff, I'll kind of show y'all a little haul on what I'm getting ready for my business and stuff like that. Also, my birthday's coming up, so I'm so excited. So this coming weekend is her birthday and the vendor event, and then my birthday's the next weekend. So I want to get my nails done. That'll probably happen way before my birthday day. And I want to get another hole in my ear, and I want to go to the casino and maybe out to eat. I don't want much this year, we got a busy week coming up. So I will see y'all tomorrow bright and early. I'm going to get up with y'all. We're gonna have a little coffee talk, maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna get to work, and then I'll pick y'all up when I'm doing something, really. Yeah, I might because right now I just have like a whole bunch of ideas kind of written down, so I really want to go through and just, you know, y'all can watch me kind of like set everything up too. What I'm going to sell, pricing, things I need to get, things I already got. Yeah. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to always be kind, because you never know what somebody else is going through. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.